James here with the TrainWorld.com Train Set Challenge. Today we're taking a look at the O-Scale Lionel Polar Express set, Bluetooth 5.0 and Disappearing Hobo. Let's see what's in the box. Now, unlike my ugly sweatshirt, this box is aesthetically pleasing. Beautiful box and packaging, but really, let's see what's inside. Just simply slide the contents out of the box. After a separator and the manual, you have the locomotive and track. Here's a quick look at the locomotive. Little warning label about smoke on the smokestack. Nice headlight, good detail, die-cast metal, very robust. And the tender with realistic coal load and Polar Express written on the side. Just remember, you have 4 different figures you can mount on the train, like you see on the front of this one. A bell that rings if you choose to believe, and the remote, once powered on, runs the train. Check it out at TrainWorld.com.